Hello everyone and welcome to Hunt's Creations. I hope you had a happy Halloween. To celebrate Halloween, I'm going to show you how to build 8 Halloween items. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build these 3 pumpkins. In the second video, I'm going to show you how to build the other 5. First, I'm going to show you how to build the big orange carved pumpkin. These are the pieces you need. 5 2x3 bricks, 9 2x2 bricks, 5 1x2 bricks, 1 2x2 slope brick. Let's build. Ta-da! If you want an uncarved pumpkin, all you need is orange bricks to replace the black bricks. Ta-da! Now I'm going to show you how to build the tall, white, carved pumpkin. These are the pieces you need. 3 2x4 bricks, 1 2x3 brick, 9 2x2 bricks, 5 1x2 bricks, 1 2x2 rounded brick. Let's build. want to uncarve the pumpkin, all you need to do is replace the black bricks with white bricks. Ta-da! I'm going to show you a couple of faces you can carve into this pumpkin. The first face I'm going to show you how to build is the half smiley face. The pieces you need are these. Ta-da! The second face I'm going to show you how to make is the robot face. The pieces you need are these. Ta-da! Finally, I'm going to show you how to build the cute, tiny orange pumpkin. These are the pieces you need. 1 2x4 brick, 2 2x2 bricks. Let's build. Ta-da! I hope you enjoyed this video. Do share this with your friends and family. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye-bye!